Okay, good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? Real quick Tuesday morning short video on how I identify, a trend, a possible entry. Who's in with me? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome. So today I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Okay, I'm recording this also, so no worries. So the first thing that I am doing, I think I'm recording it, right? Yeah. Okay, the first thing I'm doing is that I open ForexFactory. Okay, ForexFactory.com, and I check the news. I see here, when I see red factories, I don't trade. For example, we are here now, nothing special, but in about 3.5 hours, there will be some news about Canadian dollar. And the forecast is that it will drop, okay? And the previous time dropped 7%. If you click here, you will see what's about the news, okay? So I'm not gonna trade Canadian dollar. And at the evening, we will have some news about USD. So after doing this, I'm just going to TradingView. Okay. If you want, you can just create a free account on TradingView.com, and then you can find me. You can just type this, TradingView.com/u/Georgia, and you can follow me. And when I share some ideas about tradings, about entries, you will be notified here, ding, okay? And you will also receive an email. You have anything for chat? No, nothing. Okay, so what I'm doing, I open up here the pairs and then start checking. This is the Bitcoin, okay? We received here the informations about days range. So today, Bitcoin went from 9,110 up to 9,201. And it's in a sell. The technical analysis, it says that we are in a downtrend, so we sell, and we can see, 1 day, 1 week, strong buy, 4 hours, 1 hour. So in 1 hour, we see that most of people are selling. Okay, so but I just get an idea, but I mainly focus on Fibonacci and the trend lines and support resistance. So I'm not gonna trade cryptos today. SPX 500 is the S&P 500 index. It's one of my favorites, but don't do it if you have a small account because the value is 3,000. So even if you open a trade with 0.01 lot, it's $1 per pip. Okay, so this one, just this, can ruin your account. Okay, and let's see, USD JPY. As you can see, I use the pivot high and low and the EMA 50 indicators that will help me to draw my Fibonacci. In 1 hour, USD JPY, I see that there's an uptrend, right? clear uptrend. So I check also on 4 hours. Yeah, it's an uptrend. And I'm going to J1, consolidating, but it will turn to uptrend probably. And on day 1, I just draw some support resistances. I took this tool and I grab, yeah. Look at this level. Resistant, 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 support became resistant, support, support became resistant, support, and so on. So it's a strong one. If we want to go higher, we will find another one here. Okay, but we are far away. We don't need to draw this right now. And another one is here, right? All this level, support, support, broke it, but it came back, support, support. And the bigger one is here, but I'm not gonna draw it right now. So I draw the support and resistance on day 1, and then I go back to 1 hour. And look at this, the support and the resistance. So we're in the middle. I zoom out. And now I'm going to draw the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I took the Fibonacci, and because it's an uptrend, I am taking from the highest high to the lowest low. You see when the uptrend started. So what do we see here? 100% it retraced back to the blue 78.6 level, going up, consolidating, and probably it will go up until here, until the blue extension line, okay? But if you want to check it, this is a long term, because this started 23rd June, okay? And today we have 30th of June. So it's a week. But look how actually the Fibonacci retracement works. If I check it here, let's say here, okay, a smaller one, here one. Okay, look at this. Started here, highest high, let's say that, let's pretend that we are on 24th, highest, pulls back to the 61.8 red level, and after that, hit it again 100, pull back, and smashed the red extension level 161%. And then in a higher point, pulls back, pulls back in blue, smash the blue, okay? Now, 100%, pull back, 61.8, here is the 50%, so it almost starts 50% retracement, and look at this. So that way, we are waiting, and we're expecting this to be like up here. I don't recommend you to get in right now, but even if you do, from here, I'm sorry, from here to here, it's 60 pips, okay? If you want to get in right now on USD JPY, you're going for 60 pips, and I would put the stop loss here or here on this level, somewhere between these two levels, okay? Why? Because if the market reverse and the price go below the EMA, probably it will start a downtrend. So I prefer here to put the stop loss. So the risk reward is like, let's say that we get in like here. No, I'm sorry, the long term fill, the long position. Okay, if we hit the stop loss here and the take profit here, so you're risking $37, 37 pips stop loss, or 51 pips. I would recommend 37 pips, and you're buying for 64 pips. So the risk reward ratio is 1.7, not bad, but it's a little bit late for me. Okay, so if you retrace here, higher, okay, long term, pull back on blue, it will go on blue. It's about the same. Okay, guys, USD JPY. Let's go to another one. USD Canadian dollar. It's an uptrend, and I think it will keep going to be an uptrend because, as we saw here, Canadian dollar news coming up, and the forecast is that Canadian dollar will lose in value. So I think it will keep going up, but I'm not going. Wow. Okay. USD Swiss franc. Definitely an uptrend. Okay. I usually don't get in a trade when I see those huge ups or downs. Okay. Boom. Then pulls back hard. So I'm not gonna share with you any information about that, because if you have a small account, I don't want you to put that trade and maybe ruin your account, okay? GBP USD, definitely a downtrend. Okay, huge downtrend. The downtrend started on 10th June, 20 days ago. It's a downtrend, 1 hour. 4 hours, it's a downtrend. 1 day, consolidating. Wow, look at this. It's going back. So even if I draw the Fibonacci here, it will take place on 1 hour. Guys, if you have any question, just write it on the chat. So here are also some levels. Let's draw some levels. Wow. Nice one. And here's another one. And there are smaller ones here. Okay, look at this. Support, 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 broke it. Again, support, support, resistance, support, 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 break. The resistance became support. Look at these levels. Okay, support, support, resistance. So let's get back to 1 hour. Here we're the highest high and the lowest low. I'm not gonna draw this long Fibonacci because it will take place for weeks, maybe months. So I'm going to do it to zoom out. And here we are. From the lowest low to the highest high here. Okay, so what do we see? Sorry. Here we are. 0, 100%, pulls back to the blue retracement level of 78.6, and you see you're already below the EMA, so it keeps going down and it will hit this level, this blue level, okay, the extension level, which is also a day support level. But let me show you how Fibonacci works again. Like, let's say that we are here on 25 days ago, 100% level, retraced to 61, smashed the 161.8 extension level, okay? Then lower, hit again the 61, went even lower to 161.8. 100%, pulls back to 61.8. It's also the EMA and goes down, pulls back, and it will come over here. Okay, it will come over. I need some tools. Okay, it will come. What's this? Oh, okay. And it will come down here to this level. If you check this as an Elliott wave, it started here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will pull back again here, and maybe it will put another one pull back here, smaller one, and it will go down to that level. Okay, this is GBP USD. Sorry, okay. And let me see, are there any questions in the chat? Nope. Okay, let's keep going. We have already talked about USD JPY and GBP USD. GBP JPY, it's a downtrend, not clear one, it's clear, it's close to the EMA. I think it will keep going down. Yeah, real quick, let's check this out. Yeah, look at this. 100% pulls back to 61.8 level, and also the EMA, and it will go definitely lower. GBP Canadian dollar, I think it will, again, it will go even lower because of the Canadian dollar news coming up. GBP NZD, wow, look at this beauty. Lowest low, highest high. Pulls back on a blue, it will retrace back. It will go down to blue extension level. Let's go back. Retraced on 50% level, hit the extension. Retraced to 61.8, hit the extension. Pulls back to blue, hit the blue. Can you see that, guys? It works all the time, all the time. Now it pulls back on blue. I'm waiting because it's really close to EMA, okay? I'm going to wait if it will pass the EMA or if it will hit the resistance, because there is a resistance here, if you can see that. There is a level. Okay, you see, support, 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 resistance, and also we have the EMA. So I'm going to wait, and in the next candlestick, if it will keep going down, I predict that it will hit this blue extension level. That's markets. Euro USD, wow. Wow, Euro USD, lowest low, highest high, retraced to 61.8 and is going down like crazy. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay. Let me check this also in 4 hours. Yeah, it's downtrend. It's below the EMA, and day one, it's an uptrend. Okay, it's an uptrend. So I would do. You see the levels here. So probably look how perfectly works. Support, 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 resistance, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. And look at this. I love it. I love when this happens. Go back to an hour and look at this. This level is the support in day one. So I believe it will keep going down. It will keep going down. Pull back and boom, it will keep going down, at least here. Let's take a look at this. Euro JPY. You see, there are clear uptrends here. Clear uptrends. Here is not that clear. Okay, Euro JPY. Day one. Okay. 4 hours. And 1 hour. Euro GBP. Yeah. It started like this. 100% pull back on red, smash the red. Pull back on red, smash the red. Pull back on green, smash the green. And now it's the highest high and the lowest low. Then it retraces on blue, but it's consolidating. So you see, it did that 3 times. 1, consolidating, boom. Consolidating, boom. Consolidating, probably it will boom again. Okay, so it's a perfectly good way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will keep up until somewhere here. So if I get in here, my stop loss is here at 50% level. Okay, you don't see that because it's black, it's here. The 50% is here. It's exactly in the previous retracement. And my take profit one should be here on the 100% level, which should be 35 pips, or you can get 15 pips on the green line, 15 pips, but I would say take profit 1 here, take profit 2, 66, and take profit 3, 83.5 pips. Okay, if I get them on this. Do you have any questions? Nope. Right, we don't have questions. Okay, great. Euro Australian dollar, Euro NZD. Wow, that's a great example. Look at this, and it's very strong. So maybe I will get in that right now. 1, pull back, 2, 0%, 50% pulls back, and now it's an uptrend. Again, strong uptrend. 30 pips until 100%, 62 pips, and 140 pips. So I'm getting in, guys. If you're here, I'm getting in right now. So I open a trade. If you're here with me, Euro NZD, chart, and for me it's a buy. I am going to open 3 trades. I did it. So if you're here and you hear me, here is your entry point. Boom. For me, here is the stop loss. I will put them. Here is the take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. Okay? So here it is, here it is, here it is. This is my entry point, and the stop loss is here. Okay, got it? So let's summarize it here, somewhere here. So stop loss at this level, it's 1.74911. TP1 at 175,812. TP2 at 1.76137, and take profit 3 at 176,927. Oh, come on. Okay. Integration? No. Here we are. Euro NZD. I got here, take profit 1, take profit 3, take point 2, take point 3, and stop loss. And why I put the stop loss here? Because it went up, previous retracement, the big retracement is here. And always I love this 38.2 to 50% level. Look at this. You see this resistance here, and then resistance became support, and then pulls back, support, and boom. So here we are. We got one trade, Euro NZD. Euro CAD, no, for now. Euro CHF. USD, not something clear here for me. Okay. NZD USD, definitely a downtrend, big downtrend, but it doesn't follow the Elliott wave. NZD JPY, NZD CAD, CHF JPY. Okay, now we have 3 pairs. Okay, I didn't get in here, but we marked it. Check this out later, what is going to happen with this. Okay, USD JPY, keep an eye on JPY. It's a nut trend, GBP USD, definitely a downtrend. GBP NZD, I told you that we are waiting because it may pass the EMA and to reverse to an uptrend, so we are not getting in. Euro GBP, we are looking for a continuation of this uptrend up to the blue extension level, and Euro NZD, we are already in profit. Okay, we got in here, and we are already in profit. So that's it for today, guys. I will share with you later a few signals. I will analyze more the market, and I'm waiting for the Canadian dollar news in about 3 hours from now. And talk later.